Hey guys, Emil from Resos here with another system update we just launched this morning. So today I have two really nice updates. First of all, we did an update to our design add-on. So beforehand you could update the design, the colors of the booking flow. Now we made an update so you can also change a lot of the headlines there. So let's take a look on that. So if you go to the settings, if you go to the design add-on, we have the normal setup here, but as you can see, we added a new tab called text. So in here, first of all, you can select the language, but you can also put in custom text for these headlines. So for example, you have the booking headline here that says book a table at Resos. So here you could say, just book if you want to that. You have the headlines with how many people. All these headlines here you can actually go down and customize yourself, and then just update it whenever you're ready. So that's the first one, which I think is really nice, so you can completely control how you look and feel of the booking flow. The second one update we added, we want to go to our schedule view. In here you can see actually right away spot a new kind of booking. But basically, we now created the possibility to close off a table without it ruining your report section with more bookings. So to create such a booking, there's two ways. First, you can, if you are on a desktop, you can hold shift down and then click and drag, and you can see there will come up this kind of like a shortcut for creating what would look like a booking, but the blue color here indicates that we're closing the table. So if I just open it here, you can see status closed. You can write a note for it and say closing. Boom. Now you actually have closed the table here. It won't be available. If you open it up here, there's no customer information, just closed it off for this time being. A small note here for that shortcut with drag and drop. You can also do that now in creating new bookings. So if you just click and hold it and drag it along the line here, you can actually create a new booking that are more than the custom duration if you need to. Just a small little shortcut here for you guys. The other way to create or to close a table for a period is to open a normal booking, go to the status, and then say closed. This will change the UI to know that it's a closed booking, and then you can update it and close the table. And now you have closed it here. That's two really nice updates, I think. Then besides that, we did a few UI updates. So if you worked on the floor plan earlier on mobile, that's a lot easier now. We also added the grid last time, so there's a lot of good small updates to that. And another thing we hear a lot of things about is the opening hours, where we have added a small UI update as well, trying to make the last bookable slot much more clear for you guys. So as most of you know, we always have the guest leave by, and then we have the duration that counts backwards to when would the last booking time be for a potential guest. So that's it for today. I hope that makes sense, and have a great one.